Hello and Happy New Year. This is Todd Baker with Legacy Capital Planners with our 2012 annual review. In this video, we'll discuss some of the important events that took place in 2012 and talk about what might be driving markets in the first coming weeks of 2013. Please stay tuned at the end of the video for a required disclosure statement. Markets were turbulent in 2012 as investors dealt with the uncertainty about the elections, a global slowdown, and a fiscal cliff that was looming. However, despite some serious headwinds, equities put up some pretty respectable and decent results, with the S&P 500 contract gaining nearly 13.5% for the year. The fiscal cliff, of course, was the issue on everyone's minds at the end of December, as it appeared that the stubborn lawmakers were going to send us all over the fiscal cliff. Fortunately, a deal was reached in the wee hours at the beginning of January. Some of the major provisions extended the Bush tax cuts and patched the alternative minimum tax. However, the debt ceiling debate was postponed, meaning we'll be dealing with the fiscal cliff part 2 in the spring of 2013. The 2012 presidential election was another source of turbulence as President Obama duked it out against challenger Mitt Romney. Despite a solid win by Obama, markets weren't too reassured as investors immediately began worrying about the fiscal cliff. Economic growth was slow in 2012. While the economy sprinted out of the gate during the first quarter, the momentum faded during and in the spring, leading to many to worry that we were seeing another repeat of 2011 all over again. However, as the summer led to fall, we saw the economy was growing just really slowly. To everyone's surprise, the economy picked up during the third quarter, though, posting growth of 3.1%. Between June and October, the Dow grew more than 12% during a summer market surge that surprised most analysts and coined it and called it the sugar high, held up not by basic economic fundamentals, but by the expectations of an additional action by the Federal Reserve. The housing sector was another big driver to growth. This year, the Americans took advantage of extremely historically low interest rates to start buying houses again. Unemployment was another big bright spot. At the beginning of the year, 8.5% unemployment, dropping near 7.7% in January. This leaves us pretty hopeful more improvements in 2013 will come. The Federal Reserve was very active in 2012. Team Bernanke waded in to prop up the markets by announcing several waves of quantitative easing. These bond buying programs were designed to lower interest rates and encourage lending by purchasing first Treasury bills and then second mortgage-backed bonds. The most controversial move took place in December 2012 when the Fed announced the next quantitative easing program, in which it promised and promises to buy bonds until unemployment is less than 6.5%. This is a big move since the Fed has never, ever before tied its policies or actions to a specific goal. I think we can definitely expect to see more action by the Fed in 2013. Look ahead. What we should be expecting in 2013 present many challenges in the U.S. economy. We expect austerity measures implemented in the fiscal cliff deal to bite hard, as we have already seen this happening in Europe. We also expect considerable obstacles to GDP growth as the global economy continues to grapple with the slow growth and massive debts. However, as we always point out to any client or person we talk with, challenges always bring opportunities for investors. We would also at this point like to take a brief moment to let you know of some of our next financial programs and workshops we have available. Next series will be on February 5th and 7th at 6:30 p.m. at O'Donnell's Sea Grill. For more information, please call Sharon at 240-395-1060. Once again, this is Todd Baker with Legacy Capital Planners signing off for the month of January 2013. We hope you've enjoyed our quick recap of the year. And all of us over at Legacy Capital Planners, of course, wish you, your loved ones, friends, and family a healthy, happy, and prosperous new year. As always, we'd love to hear what you have to say. In the comment section below, please take a moment to write. If you have any questions about what you've heard in this video, or would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please feel free to give us a call as always at 240-395-1060. We'd be happy to talk to you and address any concerns or questions. The required disclosure is to be read, and the next part is the disclosure as it's coming. This report is reliable. We cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to the change and subject to change without notice and are intended as investment advice or solicitation for a purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decisions or choices. Once again, we'd like to thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.